On this mileage unknown, we swung by Deluxe Customs open house in Tempe, Arizona. Unfortunately, I wasn't thinking, didn't really have any cameras with me other than my phone, so I snapped some photos. What an awesome shop! A lot of awesome cars. It was a really, really cool open house. So I'm going to throw the pictures together in a little montage. Hopefully you like checking out some of these early Porsches and some of the cool stuff that Deluxe Customs is working on. Stay tuned for more stuff. I actually got Penelope, the fastback here, licensed, registered, and insured. And hopefully in the next day or so, I'm going to be taking it out for kind of a drive and giving you guys a little bit more on what my plans are with it, because I want to drive it. So hopefully you guys like Deluxe Customs. Stay tuned for more Volkswagen shenanigans.